Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're talking about the best optical power meter that can make fiber testing and network work much easier. If you want something smart, compact, and packed with useful tools, you're gonna like this one. Let's get started. Meet the Guangyan E8 Optical Power Meter. This is not just a simple testing tool. It is designed to help with fiber optic testing and network maintenance in a much more convenient way. Everything you need is packed into one compact device, so you do not have to carry multiple tools around. One of the first things you will notice about the Guangyan HY8 optical power meter is its built-in main and auxiliary LED lighting. With just one button, you can instantly light up your workspace. The best part is that you do not need to power on the entire device just to use the light. This is extremely helpful when you are working in dark cabinets, ceilings, or tight spaces. It saves time and makes your job smoother. Another powerful feature is the red light source. When you open the top right cover and insert a fiber jumper, you get access to a stable red light that can pass through long-distance fiber. This makes tracing fiber lines much easier. If you are trying to find breaks or confirm connections across long runs, this feature is a real time saver. On the top left side, under the cover, you will find the optical power detector. The Guangyan E8 optical power meter delivers high-precision measurement with an error margin of less than 0.2 decibels. That level of accuracy is very important when you are testing fiber signals. Even better, the device allows manual calibration. This means you can adjust it based on your testing needs and keep your readings accurate in different situations. Now let's talk about network cable testing. The Guangyan Y8 optical power meter includes an RJ45 pairing function. On the back of the device, you can press a button to reveal the auxiliary unit. Once you connect both the main unit and the auxiliary unit to network cables, they automatically sync and start line testing. This makes checking cable alignment simple and fast. It reduces guesswork and speeds up installation and troubleshooting work. There is also a built-in laser rangefinder. By pressing the REF key, you can activate one-key ranging and measure distances up to 40 meters. This is very useful when you need to measure room length, cable routes, or installation spacing. Having this feature inside the same device means you do not need a separate measuring tool. In terms of design, the Guangyan E8 optical power meter is compact and easy to hold. The covers protect important ports and keep the device safe when not in use. The button layout is simple and user-friendly, so you can quickly access each function without confusion. Even though it is small, it combines lighting, red light testing, high-precision detection, RJ45 pairing, and laser ranging all in one device. Small device, big performance. If you want a reliable and multifunctional tool, the Guangyan Y8 optical power meter is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.